Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video today, I will show you how to implement the QQE mod plus SSL hybrid plus 200 MA trading indicators to build a powerful trading strategy for detecting trade setups in the market. This trading strategy is a combination of 3 different technical trading indicators. The first is the QQE mod. Let's add this indicator to our trading chart. This is the QQE mod at the bottom of our trading chart. The second is the SSL hybrid. Let's add this indicator to our trading chart. As we can see, this trading indicator is displayed on the price chart as an overlay trading indicator, while the third indicator is the MA. Let's add this indicator to our trading chart. As we can see, this trading indicator is also an overlay trading indicator that appears on the price chart. For easily identification between the MA and the SSL hybrid indicator, let's change the color of the MA to be green. Also, let's change the default length 9 to be 200 for this trading strategy. Okay, good. We now have the 3 trading indicators on our trading chart. So how do these 3 trading indicators can be used to build a consistent high-winning trading strategy in the market? Before we delve in to learn how these 3 trading indicators can be used to build an effective high-winning trading strategy, we need to know the 3 basic rules guiding this trading strategy. To generate a bullish anticipation setup with the QQE mod plus SSL hybrid plus 200 MA trading indicators, 1. Price should be above the 200 MA. 2. The SSL hybrid should turn blue. 3. The QQE mod histogram should turn a blue color. To generate a bearish anticipation setup with the QQE mod plus SSL hybrid plus 200 MA trading indicators, 1. Price should be below the 200 MA. 2. The SSL hybrid should turn red. 3. The QQE mod histogram should turn a red color. Now that we're familiar with the rules guiding this strategy, we can now proceed further to learn more about how to combine these 3 trading indicators to formulate a trading strategy in the market. Here's the 4-hour chart of Euro USD. As we can see, price closed above the 200 MA and SSL hybrid line here after a continuous bearish trend. The QQE mod indicator turned blue here. We can see how the SSL hybrid upward arrow formed at the low of the bullish candlestick that closed above the moving average here. This is a formation of a bullish setup trading signal by these 3 indicators. Next is to buy this bullish candlestick. Stop loss can be placed below the last low swing of the SSL hybrid indicator here. Traders can then target a 1.5 to 2 risk-reward ratio. Alternatively, trend-following traders can ride the trend and exit whenever the SSL hybrid and QQE mod indicator turned red. Let's search the market to see how to identify a bearish setup with these 3 indicators trading strategies on the same 4-hour chart of Euro USD. As we can see, price closed below the 200 MA and SSL hybrid line here after a continuous bullish trend. It's advisable not to sell this aggressive bearish close of price below the moving average and the SSL hybrid indicator here. Instead, it's better to patiently wait for a bullish pullback of price to the SSL hybrid indicator. Once there's a bullish pullback and the SSL hybrid turned into a red color, next is to ensure that a bearish candlestick closed below the SSL hybrid line. The transformation of the QQE mod indicator from blue into red would signal the sell confirmation. We can see whenever these factors are met in this bearish trend, it usually leads to a more bearish trend. Stop loss can be placed above the last high swing of the SSL hybrid indicator here. Traders can then target a 1.5 to 2 risk-reward ratio. Alternatively, trend-following traders can ride the trend and exit whenever the SSL hybrid and QQE mod indicator turned blue. In the next video, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested trading result based on this trading strategy. Make sure you don't miss the next video. Peace.